Jopith kod jopur onyis mondo oikre ne lal mar jamni kod cham kaluwore kod koth mapek e dwe achiel mabiro. Kaluwore kod Kenya Climate Change Working Group, gwenge ma oro nitiere ema thothne biro yudo midhiero ma kamano. Ahinya to jakom riwruokno owacho ni koth mapek ni biro rochago chiemo kanyakla kod ngima jamni. Giywago dok chien mar omenda ma jiwago chiemo kod midhiero mag pi oula ma sani odok chien ka gikwayo piny owacho mondo oket ikruok motelo mar reso oganda kapok masiragi okwakogi.
Now the weather pattern shows that we are going to get 1 month of rainfall. That means that in the lower part of the country, we are likely to have less crops, and the livestock are not going to be sustained because there will be less hay and there will be less livestock feed. What does that mean? Livestock in the pastoralist areas is a bank. The banks are likely to be depleted.
This is going to affect the agriculture and the kind even of crops that we are going to grow in this part of the region. When we look at the drought situation and the flooding situation in parts of Turkana in terms of Marsabit, we are seeing this is being affected. The communities don't have food, the food security is threatened, issues of energy and energy transition are being threatened. So these are some of the things and examples we are saying. If we go on this way, that our communities, this will have a ripple effect, whether it's on food security, health issues, because some of this we are seeing some effect on climate change on health. We will continue to see it being devastated as we go along.